Today I'm going to be showing you how to write with diagonal joins and link these to ascenders. Diagonal joins are any joins where you're actually, as the word implies, making a diagonal join, so from bottom to top in a diagonal form to connect two letters. And an ascender is a letter that reaches higher than this bottom dotted third. So that includes letters like the letter B, the letter T, the letter L, the letter H, and the letter K. Okay, there's more ascenders, but they're just a few examples of letters that go beyond this bottom dotted third, reach higher than that. Okay, so I'm going to copy these. I'm not going to chase over them. I'm going to show you how to do this and the thinking behind it and some few tips along the way. So the first tip I have is obviously try as hard as you can to keep your pencil on the page until you finish writing the word, and only lift your pencil at the end. And for letters that contain crossbars, so the letter T, you will do the crossbar last. Okay, so for my A, I'm going to form it the way I regularly would. Here is my diagonal join. It's reaching from the bottom to the top, connecting to my B, and flick the B. Okay, here is the letter A. It's going to have a diagonal join. Here's my diagonal exit, which is linking to the letter T. Notice how I haven't put my crossbar on yet. That is the last thing I do. And this is the letter T because it's not reaching the very top dotted third. It is just going beyond, slightly beyond, or slightly higher than this bottom dotted third. Okay, starting with the C and the H now. So I form my C the way I normally would, and I have my little diagonal exit, which links to my H. My H rises above, there's my ascender, bringing it back down, around, and flick. Okay, CK. Form my C like I normally would, have my little diagonal exit, reach the ascender for the K, back down again, around, down, and flick. Okay, here's my N, my L. My N has a little, sort of like a little side tail. N starts there with the flick, back up again to the bottom dotted third, and down the diagonal line, and ascending for the L up to the top dotted third, and flick. And I'll show you one more example with the N and the K. Forming my N like I normally would, bringing it back down, having my diagonal exit now, up to the ascender for the K, back down to the bottom line, around, and flick.